Okay, Rajni, Wasim, how you guys doing?
Hi,
Great,
Abhimanyu.
great. Thank.
I
Great.
Yeah,
I'm
hi.
good. How are
I
you?
I'm doing really awesome. I'm very happy to see you guys. And first of all, let's give a huge round of applause for both of you guys for enrolling for this amazing program. And I appreciate your participation. Okay, guys. So
Thank you,
before
thank
the
you.
so as you already know, my name is Abhimanyu Rana, and I will be your coach for this a 10-week incredible journey altogether. And before we go ahead, let me give you a little bit about myself. So I started my journey as a coach about a 1 year back, and I love this profession since I was struggling through a very immense mental, physical, emotional, and wealth-wise challenge. But when I went through this incredible program, which I saw on like Facebook, I have gone through Arfin's video, and I was just mesmerized by it. I thought, okay, this is it. This is where I belong. And somewhere deep down, I realized and I transformed myself, my life, my career, everything which I desired. And then and there, realized this course is mandatory for all the people around, and they must take advantage of it. And then I decided to become a life coach. And really deep down, I feel like this is what I belong. Okay, so this was just a little bit of myself. And guys, before we introduce each other, let me put a one ground rule. And the ground rule should be whenever I'm gonna introduce Rajni ji, Wasim ji, we all gonna say hi. It will be a good gesture to introduce yourself. So guys, are you ready? Ready? Superb.
Yes,
So
yes.
3, 2, 1. Rajni ji, please go ahead and introduce yourself. Hi Rajni
Hi,
ji.
hi,
Hi
both of you.
Rajni ji, hi
Hi,
Rajni ji.
Abhimanyu. I am Rajni. I am in Hyderabad living with my family. Before coming to Hyderabad, I was in Delhi and was in corporate jobs. So I just find myself very boring and stuck somewhere in the room or cabin working with computers and all. So I left my job because of the family responsibilities also. Apart from this, I was not finding anything interesting in that job. So once I stop myself, I stop everything in my life. So, following this passion, I have started working for an educational institution, and then again, I have started workshops and sessions. Meanwhile, when I am in Hyderabad, then I find it Arfin Khan's coaching program, and without wasting any time, I just grabbed this opportunity, and I am also into this journey with you all.
Thank you, Rajni ji, for sharing that. And now we're gonna jump to Wasim sir. Wasim sir, hi.
Hi, Vaseem.
Yeah, hi.
Please go ahead, introduce yourself.
Yeah, I'm Wasim, Mohammad Wasim, only Wasim, not Wasim sir. Okay, I'm born and raised in Mumbai, working in a IT department more than 10 years. But continue working in a night shift. My health is not good, so I left that job, and I'm not feeling well in that profession. I'm thinking why I'm doing such kind of job where I'm not feeling well. So now, then after I'm looking for new career, I'm searching what to do. So universe have dropped message of RP. How it come, I don't know, but then I think let's try what RP is saying. So I gone through the webinar, and I feel that the light which I'm looking for is this the same where I have to go. So that's why I joined this program to have some sunlight on me, on my career, to get a new thing. Yeah, that's me.
That's really amazing, Wasim. That why it's amazing because we both were on the same rat
Mhm.
race. I was also IT profession. I can see we both were running on the same
Mhm.
cage, so I can deeply understand your
Mhm.
pain, what you have gone through. but there's a saying, खुदा के घर में देर है अंधेर नहीं. So we both are there, and you're gonna literally shine from your heart, and you're gonna shine like a sun that everyone gonna come and watch you shine. So this I can totally guarantee. This I can totally say that goes with this us, and you're gonna transform yourself like anything. Okay, guys. So that was really amazing. But and one more thing, I just before starting through, I want to say one really good thing, and that is before we need to find a group name. So group name, how it has to be, it is like when we army person, they go on a mission, they have a mission name. So we are on a mission of transformation. So for that, I need a name for my team. And I leave it that up to you. You guys need to think it. You guys to come up and let me know why you choose that name. Okay, guys, please go ahead.
Okay. The champion. How you feel, Rajni?
Energy group.
Oh, nice.
Energy
Nice.
group.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, very good, very good. And so amazing. I love that because we need that energy, we need that spark. And for that, I want to say you got some amazing name. I want you to come up with
Hmm.
another amazing move. So whenever you're gonna come and meet, we should have that energy move also. So what you say, guys? Tell me any move. What you say?
Move the energy. Something.
Oh,
Yeah. Yeah.
or
That.
I should say this.
That.
This we represent as a power symbol of energy. Come on, Rashmi. Come
Yeah.
on.
Yeah.
Or we
Yeah.
can
Yeah,
say
we
like
can do it.
this is
We
what.
can do it.
Yeah, we can
Yeah.
do
We
it.
can do it.
So this is what
Yes.
a
Yes.
symbol will represent. Awesome, awesome, guys. I can
Hmm.
see the spark in you, and you guys gonna rock. Okay, guys. With this, I'm going to quickly read through a manual, which is the introduction of Incredible You, and let you go through what exactly it is. So, okay, guys. So the introduction of this program is goes like this. Your life is about to change. And if you're looking to become unstoppable and lead an incredible life full of happiness, joy, and wealth, the Incredible You program is exactly what you have been looking for. This program is time tested and works every single time. There are 5 steps involved in this process of transformation, and you com- with you completely each step with your coach, and you will achieve success. So the program with 5 steps, the first step includes your discover your inner DNA. This is what the foundation of who you are and what drives you to take action. The second step will be the IPC, which is called integrated power coding. It will discover how to reprogram and reload new codes that serve your inner DNA and decision. The third one comes the outcome. It defines your outcome so you can actually achieve what most you have not achieved till now. And the fourth one is unleash you. It means unleashing the beast within you, unleashing the superpower within you, and understanding which people affects you, where you spend most of your time, and how to unleash your true self. I'm telling the beast, it gonna come out and rock it. And the fifth part, I will say, is your success blueprint, your personal blueprint that keeps you restless on your quest. Your quest is endless, and you need that blueprint. And with this, guys, I'm just really super excited about this thing. And with this, we're gonna tell you one thing. I'm gonna I'm gonna give you the next activity, and the next activity will be a personality assessment. But we will not going to be doing now. We'll be doing when we meeting up next. So I will be sharing a link with you via in your email, so you can take up your personality test. Okay, guys, give me a thumbs up if you got it. Okay. So
Thank you so much.
and regarding that, just a little instruction for your personality assessment. So you'll be getting all the 154 questions, and you'll be having 2 options, either apple or I will say apple or mango or A or B, and you have to select any one. So how you gonna select? You need to select with your first instant, whatever comes to your mind. Guys, this is not a government exam or something you need to think for hours. You just what your mind says. You need to do that, and there will be a time frame. You need to complete within that time frame, and you need to do in one complete entire session. And I make sure, and you also make sure that once you're going through your test, there should be a calmness and you are refreshed. You should not be sleepy or you should not be tired. So you have to give all the answers in one shot, whatever comes in your mind, that's it. And just entirely go through a report multiple times. So once you got your report, once you came to know your personality, you need to read it thoroughly. One time, 2 time, 3 time. You need to just deep dive, because this is what you are. Usually people don't know what they are. And it's going to explain you, it's going to explore your mind what exactly is. So once we come next in our next session, that's going to be really amazing, eye-opening. And we're gonna next time we're gonna literally deep dive into your personality assessment and come to know what your personality type is, and discuss who you are in step-by-step process. So are you excited, guys? Give me a thumbs up, excited.
Yes,
Awesome, awesome,
Yes.
awesome,
so much
Yes.
awesome.
excited to do
Awesome,
the
guys.
activity.
Awesome,
Yeah.
guys. I'm myself feeling so excited to see you guys again. And before we wind up, I want to end with one phrase, and that has to be your mantra. That has to be your what to say, affirmation, whatever you want to say, and that has to be love for self and appreciation for others. And how we gonna end up? I need you to hold your cheeks. Come on, hold your cheeks, both of you. And you need to start loving yourself. Come on, one. Come on, two. Come on. The last one. Okay. Big round of applause for you guys. Big round of applause. Self love,
Sure.
self love, and appreciation for others. This is your mantra. This is your ground rule. You have to live your life. Self love. Tell yourself every day, I love you just the way you are. Kiss yourself. I do every day. That's why I'm so excited. Okay, guys. With this, I'm gonna wrap up. Stay amazed, stay blessed, stay happy. See you next time. Bye bye.
Bye bye.